Okay, so this is the elevator project, right?
Yep.
Okay, so why don't you tell me about it? How it's supposed to work, or what the parts and so okay, what you have up here?
We have our motor connected to, this is a motor module, not a servo.
Okay.
And then we have a gear connecting it to our axle, which has 2 wheels on it that we use to hold our string. And the axle also goes through a shaft encoder, which counts numbers going up. And so then what happens is we input a value, and based on that value, it calculates how many turns of the shaft encoder it should take. So it turns until the shaft encoder counts that many, and then it stops.
Okay, so down here, the buttons that you have are...
So
we have the call buttons. So if you were on the 2nd floor and wanted it to go to the 2nd floor, there's the call to. And then over here is the go to buttons. And so you'd press those once you're in the elevator.
Okay, so this would be like, these would be on each floor, so when you pressed any of these 3 buttons, it's saying you need an elevator. Okay.
Yes.
Theoretically, these would be inside the elevator.
Okay.
And then we have lights displaying each floor, so 1st, 2nd, and 3rd.
Yeah. Let's see. The yellow is first.
Yellow's first.
Yellow's
Okay.
first.
And then
Green's 2nd, and the red is 3rd.
Okay. Okay. So, can I do it? Is it ready to go?
Yep.
Is it power on?
Yep.
All right. So let's just say I'm on 3, or need the elevator to 3. Okay. It goes up to 3rd. Now it's waiting for me to say which floor I want to go to. So let's.
Actually, there's a default setting.
Oh, if
After a certain amount of seconds, if nothing is going on, then it'll go back to the ground floor for safety reasons.
okay, and you just made that relatively quick for testing. Okay, so let's do it again. I'll press quicker. So I press call to 3rd, and then I'll say take me to 2nd floor. And now I'm on 2nd floor, and then there's a default time that you set. We'll go back to 1st. So there it is. Okay. Now if I'm on 2nd, let me call it to 2nd.
You see the green light.
Oh, yeah, and good. Let's go to 3rd. Excellent. And then it'll go back to 1st. What?
this is 1st floor.
Oh.
This is ground.
Okay, I missed it.
All the way down is ground.
Okay.
So there's technically 4 floors.
It's like we had in the basement.
Okay. So if I called it to 1st, I could say now go to 3rd. And now I'm on 3rd, I could say go to 2, or go back to 3rd, or go to 1. But in the end, it'll always go back to ground.
Correct.
Yep.
Very nice.